Hey guys, what's up? It's Ryan. I am going to go through how to do a throttle learn reset, or what is called an HP Tuner's throttle cleaned. This function generally needs to be done sometimes before and throughout the tuning process. So let's get our log going here. You're going to be for this, you are going to be key on, engine off. Now, if you're in a car, that means you're going to have the hold the ignition button down until the light turns green without your foot on the brake. You do not want to start it. So get the ignition completely live, engine off. Let's connect up with the scanner. Now, you're not going to start logging. You are going to go up to special functions, a little green dot here at the top of the screen. It should default to engine for you, which it did. You're going to go to airflow, and then you see throttle cleaned. Now, when I click this button, it is going to perform the reset. You're not going to get any feedback on the screen, though. You're not going to get any kind of pop-up or anything. So just watch that when you click the button, you see the button kind of light up. There you go. Pretty much it's done. And we are ready to fire it up. And that's all you have to do for throttle reset. Completely it.